Okay, so here's a room tour. This is my room. And I'm staying in 406. Let's go. So here is the living area. My bags. Okay. We have a closet here. That's where your safe is, luggage stuff, ironing board, all that good stuff. Full length mirror, super good to have. So let's walk into the room, the balcony, and it's a pretty large room, so that's nice. And you have a nice big couch. I don't think it pulls out. Nice lamp. Some art on the wall. Let's see the bed. Oh, a little hard. It's definitely a little hard, but that's okay. It's cute though. And like, you have a bathroom here. So you can look here this way. You have the tub. This one does not have jets. So if you're looking for a room with a tub with jets, this is not the one. And there's the bathtub, some water, some glasses. So we have some body lotion, conditioner, shampoo, shower cap, and a vanity kit, some towels, some facial soap, and in here you have a sewing kit and a makeup wash for your face. Please put your toothbrush, some tissues, and a hair dryer, decent. And you have a mirror. If you want to get nice and close, here is the shower and our other rest area. And it has a phone in case we need to make some phone calls in here, because why not? And that's what it looks like on this side. Even just the sounds, it's amazing. And you have your TV, nice little book of around town, and let's see. Oh, you got a nice little refrigerator. Oops, that's good. Nice refrigerator. What's it called? Oh, I think they're, yeah, the electricity's off, so I don't know how cold that is. Nice drawers. A little plant. Nice mirror. So the guy actually said that the power is off. They do that once in a while. So it's actually beautiful outside, so it's not that big of a deal. We can keep the windows open. I don't know if I can get it open. And so we'll just keep that open like that. It's beautiful outside. So this is the view from my balcony. And that's where we just had the tacos down there. You saw the iguanas. And this is the balcony. So nice. It was such a dream. So there's a restaurant right here, and a restaurant down there, and then you have the taco stuff that we had is right here. The bar that we were just at is right here. And then you have this like little area right here. Let me zoom in, and you can sit in the pool and have some drinks. See the bar stools in there? It's pretty cool. They have some cabanas downstairs, so you can rent some cabanas and some umbrella shady area. That. Yeah, so let me just unpack some of my stuff. I'll probably go back downstairs and see what's going on. See ya.